guys! Welcome to my vlog! For all the newbies on my channel, first, download the PayPal app and make sure to verify your account. Second, this video is specifically for Tabi users only who already have a Tabi limit. Lastly, subscribe to Tabi Plus. You'll find it in your Tabi app, guys. If you don't see it, it means you're not yet eligible to borrow money from your Tabi limit. For those who already have this option or button, make sure to subscribe first, otherwise, your loan won't be approved. After downloading and verifying your PayPal account, click on the 3 lines icon that I highlighted because that's where you'll find the sending to a PayPal account button. Once you click it, all your contacts with a PayPal account will appear. If the person you're sending money to doesn't have a PayPal account yet, they'll need to download and verify their account first. This step is necessary, guys, to proceed with borrowing money using your Tabi limit. After clicking the name of the person you're sending money to, a form will appear. You need to enter the amount you want to send in dollars. For example, if I want to send $80 to my friend, I'll just input the amount and then click the next button. You'll be directed here, guys. If you already have a linked personal card, just click the arrow I circled so we can see the Add a Funding Source button. This is where we will link our Tabi card details. If you don't have a Tabi card link yet, click Add a Funding Source. After that, the credit card option will appear. Click on it so we can link our Tabi card. As I always mention in my vlogs, the details you need to enter in the card number section are your Tabi card details, including its expiration date and CVV, not your personal bank account details, guys, okay? Where you will find your Tabi card details, you can find them directly in your Tabi app. After linking the Tabi card you will use, click the Done button and double check if you're sure about the amount you want to borrow before clicking the Send button. And that's it. I've sent the amount to my friend's PayPal account. So let's check if it has been credited to her PayPal account. So here it is, guys. What my friend received was $76.98 out of the $80 I sent. The transaction fee is the difference between these amounts. Just a reminder, guys, sometimes the payment goes on hold instead of going directly to the PayPal wallet. If it's on hold, you'll need to wait for 1 to 21 days based on PayPal's instructions. But usually, it takes only 1 to 10 days for it to appear in your PayPal balance and then you can withdraw it. Always base your calculations on how much will be deducted from your Tabi limit and how much will be credited to your personal bank account after withdrawal, so you'll know the total transaction fee. I hope this is clear, okay? Click the transfer button and you'll be directed to where you can deposit the dollars you want to withdraw. If you don't have a linked personal account yet, link one. This time, when filling out the card details, make sure to use your personal account, not your Tabi account, okay? Ensure that the personal card is selected, not the Tabi card. After clicking Next, you will enter the amount you want to withdraw. Below the amount, click on Purpose of Payment. There are many options, but I chose UTL. Then click Next at the bottom. We will be directed to a page showing the details of how much is deducted from your Tabi loan compared to what you will receive. In my case, the deduction was 42.85 dirhams, which includes an 11 dirhams fee because the withdrawal amount was under 750 dirhams. The amount deducted from my Tabi account was 306.13 dirhams. But I will only receive 263.28 dirhams. The deduction is quite significant. So make sure you're certain about the amount you're borrowing because the fees are high. Also, take note that the link card must accept dirhams. The money will credited within 1 to 2 business days in my account. Just a note guys, when you borrow, the first payment will be deducted from your personal account. So make sure there's enough money in your account for the first payment. Otherwise, the loan will be declined. If my video was helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.